Welcome this video. Design the perfect outdoor kitchen with a roof. Create an outdoor kitchen with a roof is an excellent way to enhance your living space, entrust guests, and enjoy the beauty of natural without compress on comfort or functional. Whether you are work with a smart patio, sure, spacing, backyard, and a perfect com- transformation or simple grill setup into full functional and weather resisting. We explored how to design a style outdoor kitchen with a roof, cover everything for layout and material to appear and aesthetic. Roof outdoor kitchen often have even open air setup, weather protective, rain, sun, and window or long allow for air roof cook and entrance. Excellent cover appear and set to better protect for the elements away to and material comfort and aesthetic. A roof provides shade and interior make the area more comfortable and choosy design. A roof help the outdoor kitchen into the overall architecture of your home. Create a seamless indoor and outdoor plan and layout. Start by access your able space and how you plan to use the kitchen. Outdoor layout line best the of smart space appear set and line up again a well L shape provide more space. Look for during and shade. U-shape idea for a long patio allow multifunctional people are choosy and set. The center pride to for open space. Great for social gathering for ring dining. Posting the look area durable for set space smoke gap versatile under the roof provide hard and smoking build up choose the right roof structure. The roof is the build